today's video is an unboxing, guys, for a luxury bag, so let's go. Hi guys, I'm super excited because today I unbox with you one of my dream bags. It's been like 3 years I'm waiting for this bag to pop up online because this is hard to find with this color, this size, this brand, and I got it, so I'm freaking excited. I opened it already, so I'm not surprising myself, but I'm gonna surprise you. If you notice or not, I put like a white paper here to like not show my address, of course. And let's go. So my name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Barcelona, but I'm French, and I talk mostly about luxury. I already have like a French YouTube channel, and yeah, if you speak French, you can go and watch my French YouTube channel either. I just cut the paper with the scissors anyway. This is why you have scissors here. Don't ask me why. Anyway, let's get started because I'm freaking excited. It's been on my wish list forever. Like, it's a bag. Been on my first YouTube channel wish list, French YouTube channel, and let me say it's an amazing bag. And in order to buy this bag, I was forced. I sold another bag. I sold my Cabas Booktot Dior because I needed to sell a bag in order to buy this one because I had two bags. I unboxed my Picotin from Hermes just here, as you can see, and this bag arrived almost at the same time, so I had to sell it, to sell the Dior Booktot because I could not afford like the two bags in the same time. So it was hard because it's one of my 2022 favorite bag, and it was hard to let it go, but I know I can find it easily. Like, I can buy it again easily, like another day when I will have the money, of course, but it's easily findable. Like, it's a classic from Dior, so this is why I sold this one and not another one. Okay, let's get started. So I bought this from a girl from Netherlands, so I'm super excited because this bag is amazing, and it's thanks to my company, actually, barcelona.com. I created this company where I sell bags and accessories. So I found lots of stuff, and thanks to this, I found this bag. So we're gonna unbox together, and so the box is from the Bijenkorf. It's like Galeries Lafayette or Printemps. It's a big commercial center for luxury stuff and fashion, like Harrods, Marcus Neyman, or whatever. And this is not the box of a bag, but yeah, this is from someone else. This is not from the brand. Let's open together. So it does not come with the box, the dust bag, or the authenticity card, but I actually didn't care because the price was very low. I negotiated the price very good, and I wanted very badly this bag because it's nowhere to be found at a good price, at least. So this is it. I'm gonna open it. She put me the bag in another dust bag, black dust bag, so this is good actually. And she was actually one of my clients, so it's funny. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. Just let's guess about the bag. Let me know in the comment which bag do you think it is, which brand, and we'll see if you did right. And don't cheat, like, do it very well. Don't watch and then answer. Okay, I'm gonna show you now because I don't want to make you wait any longer. This is the amazing Chanel mini boy bag. This is my dream bag. One of my dream bag, of course, but it's been on my wish list forever. This size, this brand, this bag, this color. Like, this is kind of emerald color, like between blue and green, and I really love it. This is velvet, so this is very sensitive. This is not a very good investment for a bag, but I wanted this bag for so long that when I saw it, I was like, I need this bag. So yeah, this is it. I want to give this bag a name, so I need your help. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna put me like comments with the names you want. You can put like one name, one comment, and the name who in the comment who receives more likes, well, will be the name of the bag. Actually, I'm gonna put like a short. Also, this is a small short video for YouTube, and yeah, I will try to do it on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to see which name we will have for this one, for this little baby. So this is a mini size, so I'm very excited. And the condition of the bag is actually very good for velvet. Everything is perfect except this part here, but it is very mostly the case on lots of bags and velvet from Chanel. Because this is very sensitive and because of a chain, like it goes here usually. So this is a little bit damaged, but not much, like it's very small. Otherwise, the bag is in very, very good condition. So I'm very shocked. I still have the sticker here to remove from the hardware part. I'm shocked, like guys. I have the serial number code here, so this is good. And the little pocket, Chanel, everything. No, I'm very surprised because I thought it would be less nice. And actually this is a great, great, great one. So I'm so happy. So this size is perfect for me. I can wear it either on my shoulder or in a bandolier with the strap, like here. The strap is, you can change the size of the strap, but not much. It's only 1 or 2 size. So this is not much. And wow, this is a bag I wanted so, so badly. Let me know in the comment what you think about this little bag. And concerning the price, I bought this bag in euro, 1,900 euros. So this is pretty cheap for this kind of bag, this kind of brand, because it increases their price. Chanel increases their price like every year a lot. This year, I don't know yet when it's going to happen. But still, this is annoying. So this one is perfect, and the price was perfect too. I'm just looking at the bag, but it's in very, very good condition actually. Impressed, even on the bottom of the bag. Oh, guys! Wow! I don't know if you know the feeling when you receive the bag you want for so long. I was looking for like 2 or 3 years in a row, couldn't find it, or at price is so high. So no, I'm so happy. I'm always saying I'm happy, but I am actually. Anyway, thank you so much for following my bag adventure, my luxury adventure with me. I'm very grateful. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I will reply very, very gladly. I love to exchange with you more and more every day, whether on YouTube or Instagram, of course. I'm always available. If I don't reply like straight away, do not hesitate to contact me again, to send me another message. I'm working a lot, so I can't reply every second of the day, but I would try my best, of course, to reply every time. Thank you so much again. I'm gonna put like 2 other videos you need to watch just here, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye, bisous. Thank you.